Tobacco smoking is one of the most addictive drugs which has been yet found. If you are smoking, you are not only killing yourself, you are killing others also. Approximately 700 million children are exposed to second-hand tobacco smoke. Many of the ear infections more commonly in the younger age group. In 3 to 9 months of quitting smoking, lung function increases by 10%. Over a period of time, if you quit, then only you will realize that quitting gives so much of pleasure.
உலகம் முழுவதும் ஆண்டிற்கு 700 மில்லியன் குழந்தைகள் இரண்டாம் கட்ட சிகரெட் புகையை எதிர்கொள்கிறார்கள் எனவும் அதனால் பெரிய பாதிப்புக்குள்ளாகிறார்கள் எனவும் கோவை ஹிந்துஸ்தான் மருத்துவமனையின் நுரையீரல் நல மையத்தை சேர்ந்த நுரையீரல் நிபுணர் டாக்டர் ஜெயமோகன் உன்னித்தன் தெரிவித்தார். மேலும் புகைப்பழக்கத்தை கைவிடுவதால் உடனடியாக கிடைக்கும் நன்மைகள் பற்றியும் அவர் பகிர்ந்து கொண்டார்.
I am Dr. Jayamohan Unnithan from Institute of Lung Care, Coimbatore, which is placed in Hindustan Hospital. Today, on the occasion of No Tobacco Day on May 31st, I would like to tell you something about tobacco smoking and its bad effects on people's lungs. The WHO 2020 fact sheet states that tobacco consumption kills about more than 80 lakhs people per year, per annum. Tobacco smoking is one of the most addictive drugs which has been yet found. That means there are other drugs which kills, but overall, if you look at the commonly used drugs, tobacco seems to be the most addictive drug. Now, second-hand tobacco risk, if you are smoking, you are not only killing yourself, you are killing others also. So, it affects, second-hand tobacco causes about lung cancer in 20 to 30% of people. The risk of heart diseases in 25 to 30% of people. And 25 to 30% people can die of stroke. It has been estimated that it causes about 8,000 strokes and death by it every annum by second-hand smoking. Approximately 700 million children are exposed to second-hand tobacco smoke. This second-hand tobacco smoke causes a mortality in many of them. This 700 million means half of the children of the world are exposed to second-hand tobacco smoking. Now, what are the things that can cause in these people are sudden infant death syndrome. That means suddenly in the cradle, the small baby, when you get up in the morning, is dead. This sudden deaths in cradle is known to happen because of cigarette smoking. It can also cause increased respiratory infections in these youngsters. It can also cause many of the ear infections more commonly in the younger age group. Now, coming to tobacco smoking, no time is exempt from smoking, quitting smoking. Every time people may ask that I have smoked for 20 years, 30 years, and why should I smoke? I'm going to die. And why I should smoke. But no time is exempt from smoking because a person is the best of his health is in 25 years of age. The peak of an athlete's performance is 25 years. Some of them sustain till in their 30s, but majority of the people start waning. Once you come to 30s, you are called a veteran in sports. So that means what? Your forced expiratory volume, one of the expressions that we use in respiratory medicine, that is the highest at the age of 25. இதில் வந்துட்டு 25 years of age இருந்து அது கீழே வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். But if you are a smoker, it starts declining very fast. The decline of that particular respiratory function is so fast that, and if you give up smoking, நீங்கள் smoking நிறுத்தினா அங்கேருந்து வந்துட்டு there is a effect which happens that suddenly that decline reduces. That is called as horseshoe effect. That means you become less and less. The good effects of quitting smoking is, you see, within 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, what happens is pulse rate which was high becomes normal. Within 8 hours of quitting, the carbon monoxide level, which is high in the blood in smokers, comes to half. Within 48 hours, the carbon dioxide level is completely eliminated. Within 72 hours of quitting smoking, your breathing becomes easier and you feel more energetic. In 3 to 9 months of quitting smoking, lung function increases by 10%. And within 3 years of smoking, 1 year of smoking, your heart attack chances become less. By 10 years, what happens is your chances of getting lung cancer is half of that of a smoker. So still there is a chance, but it becomes half. Similarly, by the end of 15 years, your risk of heart attacks is similar to a non-smoker. So if you have quit smoking for about 15 years, you are supposed to be a non-smoker. In case of you have not decided to smoke, that is well and good. And if you've decided to continue smoking, you are calling it as you are digging your own grave. Over a period of time, if you quit, then only you will realize that quitting gives so much of pleasure. So there is no time, no appropriate time to quit. Today is the time to quit. Quit smoking now and live a healthy life. Thank you.